For a long time, I had this keeda to start my own, and
Okay.
and I was thinking, yeah, like phone baj raha hai. Sorry, what do I do? It's disturbing my.
लोग ऐसे शूट पे फोन भी करते हैं क्या बीच में?
Fine, costume fine, hair ठीक है.
Costume check, focus check, action.
जम्बू,
हम्म?
बुक क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो क्या?
नहीं, मैं तो प्रॉपर क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ एवरी वीकेंड।
प्रॉपर क्रिकेट ही समर में क्रिकेट खेलते हैं मतलब है.
इस उम्र में
Amazing,
उम्र
यार.
कहाँ हुई है मेरी?
उम्र नहीं.
ना, क्रिकेट के लिए खेलने के लिए कोई उम्र थोड़ा ना होती
I
है।
know, but I tried and I think I've got all kinds of
No,
niggles and issues like that.
You should play regularly. Then
I think I should try to
हाँ.
follow your footsteps.
वैसे बताओ ये बुक है किस बारे में?
Oh, this is
कहाँ है?
called The One Show. And One
Okay.
Show is the most coveted award show, like Lions.
Mhm.
So this is based in New York.
That's good.
And this book actually covers all the best work that won in a particular year.
Okay.
And they give out, like Lions, they give you pencils. Next time I'll bring to the
Wow.
show.
How many pencils you got?
Not many, less than can.
Okay.
But yeah, quite a few I think so.
अच्छा. And you were a chief creative director in
This is called
Chail.
Chief Creative Officer.
Chief creative officer in
Officer
Chail
अच्छा लगता है ना,
Communications.
पता नहीं creative लोगों को भी officer लगा दिए.
But director भी अच्छा ही है.
I think वो फर्क है. Director ना बड़ा business फाइनेंस तरह होता है. Officer तो
into creative and advertising.
Chief Creative Officer is like the top position in agency within a country.
Wow. So
Like that.
Chail must be what, number 2 or 3 in India?
Chail must be top 5 definitely,
Top
if
5.
not 3. One of the largest
Okay.
sizes.
So
of agencies.
what made you shift from such a good employment and a big company and starting your own entrepreneurship?
Yeah, it is sort of tempting to stay back and then be in a job situation and then whatever, take the perks that comes with a big job and all.
Right.
But for many years, I had this keeda to start my own. In fact, I had one experience some time ago. So I actually called myself a failed entrepreneur, and maybe this time I'll be successful. Hopefully, God willing. And so every time in a situation in an agency where I feel this could be done better, this is not the right way to do it. Then I felt करके दिखते. Why don't you do it? बोलना तो बहुत आसान है तो सबके लिए.
डर नहीं लगा to start your own thing?
I think डर comes when you lack confidence. But I think I always point myself, अगर तू बोलता है कि if this is the way it should be done, then why don't you do it and
Yourself.
show? So I don't think about डर, but it is about I don't know actually. When the ball comes in your cricketing language, you step out of the crease and then play on the front foot.
That's good.
And then not every ball will go onto the boundary, but eventually it will.
I agree. So what were the challenges you faced in the beginning?
Yeah, I think. Well, I don't know what challenges I faced because along with me was somebody like your company, JJ Tax, and starting from the name, I had given multiple names. So
Yeah.
after that, actually, you have to tell me what you did for me because I actually could focus on the business side. And so why don't you tell our viewers?
So
our name?
we basically, when Emmanuel approached us to make a company, so we asked him to give us 2-3 names, and we checked the name whichever was available. Then he registered his company in MCA. Then we took his TAN number, GST number. We are doing his accounts on a retainership basis. So everything we are handling for him so that he can focus on his own business
What was the TAN
and
number
grow.
you said? I don't know what. I have a TAN number.
You have a TAN number. TAN number is a tax deduction account number. So as a
Tax
company
deduction.
account number.
I have
So
that number.
yes, so basically whenever you pay your vendors or your employees, if they are in the tax bracket, then you have to deduct TDS on them.
Oh, okay.
And GST, I think now you are very well aware what is GST
GST I
about.
know 18%.
हाँ.
अच्छा cost theta, tan theta, pan theta यही होता है?
वो अलग है, वो
वो अलग है.
मैथमेटिक्स का है.
अच्छा ये अलग है,
हाँ.
income tax का tan theta है.
So बहुत सारी चीजें हैं factors. We handle everything for our clients as a startup. so that you don't have to face these kind of challenges, which is a financial or a tax or something. You don't face penalties, you do everything on time, and you have we look into the cash flows also, so that you can run your business smoothly and not worry about the next month payments and all. But yes, growth of business is your baby. So
I think besides tax, there's something called compliance, no? Which is not really finance, but something else which also.
yes, there are lots of compliances. There are ROC compliances. You have to
What is
make
ROC?
minutes. ROC is register of companies.
Okay.
MCA is part of ROC. So you have to make minutes, board minutes for whatever important things you do in the business. And apart from that, you have to file for your share certificates. Everything is got to be stamped. There are lots of compliances for companies as such. Individuals, it's slightly lesser than companies. But yes, everything you have to be fully compliant.
Because I knew you as somebody who would help me by individually filing taxes and returns and all that. But now I think I'm dealing with you as an entrepreneur,
Correct.
as a company,
Yeah.
and it's slightly more complicated.
So
but
JJ Tax does various kinds of services, which starts from an individual, then partnership, then companies. So we are more into business focus nowadays, because that is where the chunk of the revenue comes in. Even though B2C is still our core, this thing.
So you must be doing all the industry creative people.
Yes, most of them. Since I've been doing creative, I know you also for the last 2 decades. Before that also we were doing, Gilby and Method, Contract, McCann and all. So we know lots of people. Few have shifted to nowadays Mumbai for doing films and all. But yes, we do a lot of creative people.
So from business perspective, all kinds of, like, you also advise me, should it be partnership, should it be other various kinds
Proprietorship,
of
company,
kind
yes.
of companies, right?
Yes.
So that also you
We
advise and all kinds of
We had advice on everything. We even do wealth management for our clients. Yeah, of course you need wealth for that, but yes. So yeah.
So you have to manage, you have to make my wealth. I'll do the work, but you have to make my wealth.
You grow your business, the business will make wealth, and then we'll manage
No,
it.
the business is growing well. So now please manage it.
Yes, we'll do that also.
So is that a separate service?
No, it's part of that.
It's part of the package.
Same,
Okay, then
part
I just
of
have
the
to make my
package.
wealth and you'll manage it.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, that's good. Okay, then you do evaluations also and all kind of stuff?
Yeah, we do everything. We even do legal agreements and all for our clients also. So we have a full bouquet of services.
So what does that make JJ Tax? Now, what kind of a company is JJ Tax then?
JJ Tax started as a tax company, but now we are as a whole bouquet of services, we are into compliances. So compliances mean taxes, legal, company affairs, everything is included. RBI.
So it's not just tax.
It's not just tax.
So you do multiple things around all compliance and everything, that coming back to our initial subject of last episode, that you make people follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
Whether it is government or corporate or governance, and obviously taxes also.
Correct.
That's yours.
That is what
That's
JJ
your
Tax
mantra.
stands for. All services under one roof.
So you wake up in the morning and say, let us make people follow the rules.
Yes, we do it every day.
Yeah, every day.
That's our mantra. Yeah.
That's a mantra.
Yeah.
And our mantra is to break the rules.
So you make money by breaking the rules. We make money by making you follow the rules.
So I think that's a great partnership.
Yes.
So this time, I think let's continue this partnership, and we are having fun on the Monday.
So this partnership is all about CA versus CD. Chartered accountant versus creative director.
But that is तो हमारा line है, अपने पेट पे लात मार देना. That baseline should come from us.
थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं ना हम लोग.
But yeah, I believe in co-creation, so I like co-creating with clients also. It's fun actually these days to work with clients who are open to collaborate and create new interesting stuff.
I agree.
It's fun
with
to
you.
work with you on this one. So I think it's a good partnership.
Yes, I think we're looking forward for more episodes between the both of us.
So if you have any suggestions as to what we should talk about, please write in the comments below. And is it how you say, right? Subscribe, follow and share. ऐसे बोलते हैं?
ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. Yeah.
मेरा क्या आवाज नहीं है.
Oh, कोई नहीं, next episode में आ
we'll get
जाएगा.
better in the next episode.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you guys, and once again, and I hope you enjoy the show. Look forward to more.